Welcome to Easy Microbiology.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, we will be discussing Clostridium perfringens, a gram-positive, anaerobic, spore-forming bacterium that can cause a variety of diseases such as food poisoning, and has mechanisms of antibiotic resistance. Let's get started. Clostridium perfringens is a gram-positive, anaerobic, spore-forming bacterium found in various environments, such as soil, water, and the gastrointestinal tracts of animals and humans. It may cause various diseases, including gas gangrene and food poisoning, and is thus an important pathogen that should not be overlooked. C. Perfringens is a gram-positive bacterium that is distributed widely in the environment, most often found in soil and water, and present in the intestinal tracts of humans and animals. It can cause illness and is a common cause of food poisoning, as it can survive and grow in cooked foods if not kept and reheated correctly. It produces an array of toxins, leading to symptoms from abdominal cramps to diarrhea, so it is important to take proper precautions when handling and preparing food to reduce the risk of infection. C. Perfringens is a gram-positive rod-shaped bacterium that can be seen under the microscope to have a spore-forming structure. The rods of this bacterium are usually large, with clearly defined rounded ends, allowing for easy recognition.
C. Perfringens grows well on blood agar plates, producing large opaque colonies with a characteristic double zone of hemolysis. It is also able to grow in anaerobic conditions. C. Perfringens is a strictly anaerobic bacterium that is able to ferment carbohydrates to produce gas. It is also able to produce a variety of enzymes, including collagenase and hyaluronidase. C. Perfringens infections can occur in a wide range of animals, including humans, livestock, and poultry. C. Perfringens produces a variety of toxins, including alpha toxin, which can cause tissue damage and necrosis, and enterotoxin, which can cause food poisoning. It also produces enzymes such as collagenase and hyaluronidase, which help it invade and damage host tissues.
C. Perfringens is a bacteria that produces beta-lactamase enzymes, which can create resistance to antibiotics like penicillin. Detection of these beta-lactamase enzymes can confirm the presence of C. perfringens, which has implications for understanding the effectiveness of antibiotics in a given setting, as C. perfringens can exhibit resistance to them.
C. Perfringens is a common cause of food poisoning, particularly in foods that have been cooked and then allowed to cool slowly. It is also a common cause of gas gangrene, particularly in wounds that have been contaminated with soil or other environmental sources.
C. Perfringens is a species of bacteria that can cause a variety of illnesses in humans, including gastrointestinal infections and tissue damage. These illnesses are caused by the toxins and enzymes that C. perfringens produces, which can lead to conditions such as gas gangrene and food poisoning. To treat these conditions, it is necessary to seek medical attention immediately, and in some cases, specialized medical care is necessary. C. Perfringens is a gram-positive bacterium that has a detrimental effect on humans and animals. Its presence in the body elicits an active immune response from the host, particularly manifested by macrophages and neutrophils. Additionally, our bodies generate antibodies that aim to combat the bacteria and, collectively, these responses protect us from infection and illness caused by C. perfringens. Laboratory testing of certain clinical specimens can be used to confirm the presence of Clostridium perfringens in an infection diagnosis. Rapid diagnostic tests can also be used to detect antigens associated with the infection. Accurate diagnosis is essential to determine the correct treatment for the condition. Clostridium perfringens is a dangerous bacterium that can be prevented through proper food handling and storage, such as promptly refrigerating or freezing prepared food, avoiding cross-contamination between raw and cooked foods, and proper wound care. In certain high-risk wounds, Clostridium perfringens can cause gas gangrene, and antibiotic prophylaxis may be used in appropriate situations to further prevent illness. Prevention is the best way to guarantee safety from Clostridium perfringens. For an infection caused by Clostridium perfringens, antibiotics like penicillin or clindamycin may be prescribed. Additionally, if it is gas gangrene, a surgical debridement may be necessary. It is essential to take prescribed medical action quickly as this infection is very serious. The key points to remember about Clostridium perfringens are that it can cause a range of diseases, including gas gangrene and food poisoning. Its virulence factors and mechanisms of antibiotic resistance have been discussed, as well as its epidemiology. Having an understanding of these can allow us to bring about better prevention and treatment strategies for this important pathogen.
Thank you for your attention.